Nice, large rooms with a kitchenette and close to shopping and food. Staff is amazing. Shayla, Stephen and the other lady, I didn't catch her name, sadly, were so helpful and nice. Great place, good place to stay. Guest, I've been here for almost 2 months and have been very comfortable with no concerns. Amazing, it was super clean and quiet, staff was amazing. Amazing, best place I've stayed so far. Just like home, house with garden, hashtag cozy, hashtag homey vibes, love like home, never leaving, house with garden, heart, hashtag home sweet home, hashtag love never leaves. Exceptional, I was scared to death of what I was getting into, but I can't actually say it's worth the money and the stay. Excellent, yes. Very good, yes.